Speaker sir, I'll start with the water. Goans तशें पळोवंक गेलें जाल्यार we are staring at a looming drinking water crisis. In a LAQ reply, the minister has replied that domestic, non-domestic and floating population water demand is 695 MLD while supply is 633 MLD. So there is a shortfall of 62 MLD. Speaker said this is not just a gap, it is a warning siren. In the last 1 year alone, villages have been surviving on tankers instead of taps. Porye, 2,470 Porye. Isulle, 2,351. Zolmen, 2,154. Kaley in Savarte, 1,500. Ponda city, 717. Porvori, 1,170. Anjuna, 900. Saligaon, 1,800. This is just the tip of the iceberg, Speaker said. आम्ही बेसिकली ड्रॉट स्ट्रिकन रिजन अशें आमी आमचे एक आमचो प्रोग्रेस आहा. Supply of water in Goa ranges between 2 to 24 hours. But the percentage of consumers actually receiving 24/7 is mere 26.54%. Not even past class. Speaker sir, slogans like हर घर में जल बिल म्हणते काय ना. अंजुनाचे एक कायसुवात दिन पायल्यो म्हणजे मला आयल्यो एक आउटरीचाच्या टायमार. जे आमचे उदकूच म्हणते ना. आणि स्पीकर सर 11 जूनाक तांणी म्हापशा वॉटर सप्लाय ऑफिसा कडेन एजिटेशन केलें. बाय डिलायला लोगो बीजेपीन जॉईन जाल्ले डेव्हलपमेंटाक. विकास तुमी ताका एडॉप्ट केलें पूण उदक दिलें ना. उदकाक पाठीशेर केलें. ही परिस्थिती आहा एडॉप्टेड आमदाराची. स्पीकर सर देन देर इज दीस झिरो बिल स्कीम. झिरो बिल म्हणटा तें कितें? इट इज द टॉप प्रीपोल टोकॅनिझम ड्रेस्ड अप एज वेलफेअर. Speaker sir, it was projected to promote conservation, but now suddenly the government has scrapped it, citing misuse. Misuse kine? No evidence is provided, no action is taken against culprits, and they are exploring billing on actual consumption, proving that the scheme was never about conservation. Speaker sir, it was a populist promise, abandoned the moment votes were counted. Especially women should think hundreds of times before voting for the BJP. पयली 3 गॅस सिलिंडर म्हणून सांगून कानान घाले, आता उदकाक फटयले. Speaker sir, this house must demand that the government immediately prepares a time-bound plan to bridge the 62 MLD gap and lays a district-wide audit of the tanker-dependent villages with a clear roadmap to bring them under piped water supply. Speaker sir, water is not a luxury, and denying a Goankar potable water in 2025 is not just bad governance, it is betrayal of our people's basic right to live with dignity.
चाल या पुढे